recording this because I thought this kitty died. Because out of the four, every single one died slowly with terrible deaths. And I thought this was the last one. And I thought I got attacked by dogs because it was missing for one day and it didn't show up in the morning or the whole night until magically I found him in the morning with the rest of the cats.